FAQs about Buddleja Davidii Black Knight.
Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is a fantastic addition to any garden, known for its deep purple flowers and ability to attract butterflies.
It's one of my favorites for both its beauty and its resilience.
In this article, I'll answer some of the most common questions about this plant, covering everything from care tips to companion planting and more.
See more 114 species in genus Buddleja at monsteraholic.com. What is Buddleja Davidii Black Knight?
Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is a deciduous shrub commonly referred to as butterfly bush. This particular variety, Black Knight, is known for its striking, dark purple, almost black blooms. Native to China, Buddleja has become popular worldwide for its fast growth and butterfly-attracting abilities. It typically grows between 6 and 8 feet tall, with arching branches covered in lance-shaped leaves.
How to care for Buddleja Davidii Black Knight?
Caring for Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is relatively easy, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced gardeners. It thrives in full sun, needing at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. The soil should be well drained, but it isn't too fussy about soil types. I've grown it in clay and loamy soils, and it's done well in both.
Watering should be moderate.
While it's drought tolerant once established, I always make sure to water it regularly during dry spells.
Fertilizing in early spring with a balanced fertilizer helps promote vigorous growth. Pruning is essential to keep the plant in shape and encourage more blooms.
I usually prune mine back hard in late winter, cutting it down to about 12 inches from the ground.
How to propagate Buddleja Davidii Black Knight? Propagating Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is straightforward.
I've found that stem cuttings are the most reliable method.
Here's how I do it.
Take a cutting. In late spring or early summer, I select a healthy, non-flowering stem about 6 inches long. I make sure it's green and flexible but firm. Prepare the cutting, remove the lower leaves, leaving just a couple at the top. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone to encourage growth. Planting, I stick the cutting into a pot filled with a mix of perlite and compost. I keep it moist and place it in indirect light until roots develop. Transplanting, once roots form, usually after 4 to 6 weeks, I transplant the new plant into the garden or a larger pot.
What to plant with Buddleja Davidii Black Knight?
I love pairing Buddleja Davidii Black Knight with other sun-loving, pollinator-friendly plants. Some great companions include
lavender. The silvery foliage and purple blooms complement the deep purple flowers of Black Knight beautifully. Coneflowers, echinacea. Their long-lasting blooms and contrasting color make them a perfect match. Sedum. The late summer blooms of sedum add a nice textural contrast.
Is Buddleja Davidii Black Knight toxic?
Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is non-toxic to humans and pets.
However, like all plants, I recommend keeping an eye on curious pets or small children, just in case. It's always better to be safe, but from my experience, this plant is harmless in a garden setting.
Benefits of Buddleja Davidii Black Knight.
One of the most significant benefits of Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is its ability to attract pollinators, especially butterflies and bees. In my garden, I often see butterflies fluttering around the blooms, making it a lively and beautiful place.
This plant also offers low maintenance. Once established, it's drought tolerant and doesn't need much attention.
Fast growth. It grows quickly, filling in garden spaces with ease. Long blooming period. From summer to early fall, the plant produces abundant flowers that keep the garden vibrant.
Common problems with Buddleja Davidii Black Knight.
Though generally hardy, Buddleja Davidii Black Knight can face some issues. Powdery mildew. In humid conditions, the plant may develop a white powder on the leaves. I usually treat this by improving airflow around the plant and applying a fungicide if needed. Aphids. These small pests can infest the leaves and stems, but I've found that a strong spray of water or insecticidal soap works well to keep them under control. Compare Buddleja Davidii Black Knight with other varieties.
Buddleja Davidii comes in various colors and forms, but Black Knight stands out for its dramatic dark blooms.
Compared to other varieties like Nanho Blue or White Profusion, Black Knight has the deepest purple flowers, making it a striking focal point in any garden.
While Nanho Blue is more compact and White Profusion offers white blooms, I prefer Black Knight for its bold color and larger growth habit. How to prevent Buddleja from becoming invasive.
One important consideration with Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is that it can be invasive in some regions. The plant produces many seeds, which can spread quickly. To prevent it from becoming invasive, I deadhead the spent blooms regularly. This not only helps control its spread but also encourages more blooms throughout the season.
Final thoughts. Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is a rewarding plant that offers beauty, pollinator support, and ease of care. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, this plant is sure to thrive with minimal effort. Just remember to keep it pruned, provide it with plenty of sunlight, and enjoy watching butterflies flock to its vibrant blooms. If you're looking for a bold, low-maintenance shrub that adds both color and wildlife to your garden, Buddleja Davidii Black Knight is an excellent choice.